All right, today I'm going to show you how to take off the secondary clutch. This is a Can-Am Commander 22 XMR. This video works on the 21 or newer Commanders. I can't remember exactly what year, but the newer Maverick Trails, 1000R. Also the X-3. So because the clutch is, when I say clutch is, that's empty clutches, nothing inside of them, no helix, no spring, no flyweights, etc. are basically the same. So you can use the same process. We have a video already how to take the clutch cover off. Pretty much same process on all these vehicles. I've put it up on the left, taking a tire off to make it easier to see. And I hope this bright light doesn't make me look crazy. So we're going to take this secondary off. Right behind this, I'm going to do another video on how to take off and reinstall the primary clutch. Also, would like to say we're going to showcase, for lack of a better term, but our tools to use to do any of this. We pride ourselves on making good tools, etc., but you got to have something to work on it. So let's get started. All right, the first thing you're going to need is, I hope, a Hunterworks belt change tool. If we're going to take the secondary off, we need to get the belt off, because even once you take the bolt out, you won't be able to slide it off because the belt's going to hold you back. Crazy little item I bought off of Amazon. Mine was already clean. Just want to demonstrate this little cool fan I bought off Amazon. That because you got threads in here, so you screw the base of the belt change tool in. If you don't want to go all the way, that's fine, as long as you have a good bite. This is what we call the large bell for the 3-roller style clutch. Put the handle on. Sometimes I just leave mine put together and twist it in here with the hands. It's kind of quicker that way. But this is a non-marring. The OE goes through and mashes on it, and etc., etc. And it scars it up. The quick change, I'm not a fan of. Once you got it screwed in all the way, take your belt, slide it right off the top. The secondary here, I would leave it close to the secondary, kind of in line. It can be a little entertaining, and fish it off the front of that primary. Take your belt down. Factory belts have an arrow. Hunterworks has writing. I always put it on a Hunterworks belt so you can see the writing and the arrow towards the rotation of the engine. All right, undo your handle. I'm gonna do it my way. I don't know if it's slower or faster, but either way works. You're gonna take it all the way apart or stick your fingers through here. All right, so the bolt that holds it is a 17 millimeter. There's 2 ways to do this. One is a holding tool from Hunterworks, and you put little tabs in this holes of the helix, and you hold it. 17 millimeter, get it held back here. This handle's will sit on a frame. There it goes, loosen it. Now, option 2, my favorite, since it's straight on, is I wouldn't be too concerned about using the tool, Hunterworks tool, for taking it off. I use an impact. Okay. Take this tool off, slide it off. That's it. So your secondary's off. This video is just about how to get it off and going back on. Whether you're doing a clutch kit, hopefully must, doing maintenance, whatever it may be, put secondary rollers in, it's time to put it back on. Got some splines in there. It's better really to have this thing in gear, because that shaft will be turning the same time you're turning. I got lucky. I like to take my extension, a 17, I can see up in the hole, and get it started. Now if you want to, hold on, don't panic. Oops. All right, till it stops. I would consult my service manual on this, or Dalton clutch kit torque specs. I believe it is 53 pounds. Now, here's where the Hunterworks holding tool comes in handy. Put in a couple of holes. Torque wrench. Alright, actually this, I don't know if that's hurting anything, but look at there. It's holding on the clutch primary. It went 53 pounds. It was touching on the primary clutch over here. Made a good hole for it. I see no issue with that. Take our belt, hopefully a Hunterworks belt. And we'll go ahead and slide it on to primary. Set it right there. Take our belt change tool. Come up with a little bit easier way. 2 or 3 rounds. Start cranking it. Put it over the top. Probably you can go further if you like. You can go all the way down to the roller here at the top of the helix. And take your tool back off. Turn this the opposite way if you want to. That's the same as unscrewing it. Either way. Now, take your clutch and turn it. Work its way back up. And you are done. That's a crude way. Sometimes it's hard to do stuff on camera and do it and think about the camera at the same time. But anyway, that's the tools you need. Torque wrench, torque it, a method to hold it. We like our holding tool, works great here and on the primary clutch. Belt change tool, multiples out there. In my opinion, ours is a little cumbersome, but it's real easy once it's on and it doesn't mar up anything like the factory tool does, where it just drills into that aluminum. And like I said, hopefully using a Hunterworks belt. If you got any questions on this, Todd at hunterworks.com. Thank you.